do a walk around to show y'all what it's about. I'm gonna be doing pretty much just trying to restore it as much as I can just to get it daily drivable. This window won't roll up. I'll have to take all this off, try to fix that. But it's not a bad looking car. I'll have to do something with all this, tie it up or something, take it out of there. Seat's a little worn out. It's like somebody's hit something right here. It's a little dented up. This looks awful. Somebody's, I don't know what's happened here. Somebody's tried to duct tape over the holes. This side has got the most rust on it. And here's the main problem with rust that I'll have to try to fix. You can see, pull all this up, peel all the paint back. I'm going to try to do a video series of me going through this car, redoing everything. Got a little bit of rust down in here. I'll have to fix. It does run. Needs a radiator and thermostat and belts. Needs an alternator belt. And just needs going through. I'll get a battery and put in it and start it up. Let you guys hear it run. Don't forget to subscribe if you guys want to see any more content of this car. I'm going to be going through it every bit, hopefully, all the way through the whole process. I'm going to be trying to film it and make videos on it. So make sure you guys subscribe, turn that little notification bell on, leave a comment what you guys want to see happen to this car. Leave a like if you liked it. If not, leave a rude comment. I don't care.